got my first bike on my 6th birthday. Still one of the best moments of my life in 64 years. It was a red Rollfast. Man, I love that bike. I've been in love with two-wheeled movement ever since. I've raced bikes on pavement and on dirt. I've used my bikes to get to and from work. I've made a lot of great memories with my wife and friends on bike adventures of all kinds. I'm not sure I can quite describe with words why the simple bicycle is such a powerful thing for me. I love the shiny paint. I'm transfixed by the sparkle of sunlight glinting off the fresh spokes as they go around and around. But there's also the movement, the sensation of a bike moving forward propelled by my effort and held up by the mysterious forces of Newtonian physics. At certain points, my life has been saved by cycling, rescuing me from unhealthy habits and emotional duress. In 1994, on a whim, I took a part-time job at Cyclecraft as a sales guy. No experience, no training. Shoved into the pool to sink or swim on my own. I loved it. Over 32 years, I've learned every job you can have at a retail bike store and service center. The common thread that ran through those years was trying to get other people to experience and feel what I do when riding my bike. I wanted to add value to the world, not just be a passenger or a taker. I sold, fitted, and fixed thousands of bicycles along the way, and given jobs and training to dozens of young people who went on to become successful adults. The world looks dramatically different now than it did in 1994, and I'm sure it will keep changing. But the one thing that has been and will continue to be true is that more people riding more bikes makes the world a better place. This channel is just another way for me to share the magic of cycling with you and to help you on your journey to a happier life. Thanks for watching Cyclecraft TV, and I'll see you out on the road.